Praise God again. My name is Joseph and I have a word for today. And our word for today comes from the book of Ecclesiastes chapter 11 verse 9. And it says, "You who are young, be happy while you are young, and let your heart give you joy in the days of your youth. Follow the ways of your heart and whatever your eyes see. But know that for all these things, God will bring you into judgment." So this simply means for these people who are young, the Lord has given us permission to be happy for this age that you have been given, but also follow our heart desires. Like we follow what our heart tells us and what is right. But know that for all these things, God will bring you into judgment. So whatever you do, God will still bring you into judgment. This relates to the other verse. The other verse said, God will give you a reward according to what you do. But now this one is saying, God will bring you into judgment according to what you do. So what you do, this is what God will judge you for, and may God bless you.